Hi everyone. Let's face a hard truth. 70% of the digital transformations fail. But what if we had a blueprint to be in 30% who win? I am Ravi, a digital modernization leader, and today I will reveal the exact AI powered framework I have used to help companies from small to Fortune 500. It's about building a dynamic, self optimizing core strategy that delivers autonomous execution and improved efficiency, proactive operations that predict and protect your KPIs, and continuous optimization, freeing your team to strategize, not just execute. Let's dive in. This entire framework is built on a simple, powerful foundation: why, what, how, and who, all secured by strict guardrails. It all starts with why, your core business strategy. This isn't a vague vision, it's a clear, measurable statement of intent. It's the anchor that aligns every single investment and action toward a common valuable goal. A strong why defines your top level objectives and, most importantly, the key APIs that will track your progress and spotlight bottlenecks. Without this clarity, a strategy just becomes a list of disconnected IT projects. Now let's build on the foundation and talk about the what. To truly connect our why to execution, we need three building blocks: business domains, capabilities, and processes. Domains are the major pillars of your business, like marketing or customer service. Within these, capabilities define what we need to do to win, like lead generation. But the real power comes from breaking these capabilities down to third level of detail. This is where we move from a very vague concept to crystal clear. A level 3 capability becomes something specific and measurable, like execute nurturing email campaigns. This granularity is critical. It creates a direct, unambiguous line of KPI, like email click through rate. Now you can clearly see how executing this specific process directly fuels a strategic capability and ultimately our business. Why, without this breakdown, strategy is often disconnected from measurable action. Now let's move on to the next part. Now let's discuss the how, and more importantly, assess if your technology, landscape, and the operating model can bring this to life. My strong recommendation is to build a composable architecture designed using domain driven design. This will ensure that our technology directly mirrors with our business structure. The blueprint is broken down into several different independent layers. The foundational layer is the data foundation built upon Mendelian architecture. Core business layer is built using autonomous microservices, for example, order management and customer profile. AI domain provide orchestration layer where intelligence comes alive. Specialized AI agents and custom LLMs reside here. Seamless integration using API first and event driven design using platform like Kafka. Our AI driven analytics will transfer the gold data layer into productive engine, ensuring every decision is data informed and directly tied to strategic KPIs. We will use modern tech stack of hybrid, primarily using cloud native, Kubernetes, and for data, open source or Snowflake or Databricks with flexible and mixed use of LLM tools. Cross-functional teams each will own vertical slice from data to AI to service. The last part of this is to make sure that the entire system delivers value safely, guarded by stringent guardrails on strategic, financial, technical, and operational. These guardrails are the rules to measurable and strategic success. This framework provides the clarity and power, not just to adapt the future, but to define it. And in my upcoming session, I will deep dive into the details of each layer. Thanks for watching.